Hello everyone, my name is Chandler South, broker owner of Florida Life Team Realty. Welcome to the Bay Harbor down in Bradenton, Florida. We're just 3 miles to the famous Anna Marie Island. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's going to be a middle townhome. Let's go inside and take a look. So this unit will be about 1,706 square feet under air. This is going to be a 2-story with a 2-car garage in the back. Let's go inside and explore. Opening up the front door. Here is your living space. Going into the kitchen. Kitchen does have a nice island and peninsula right over here. This is a gas community, so you do have your gas range. Walking towards the back, here is your dining. Turn it back around. You also have a courtyard on this property, which would be right over here. So keep in mind, this is your main backyard space. So you do have a 2-car garage through that door. So you would come through that door, go through the courtyard, and then come into your beautiful townhouse. Laundry right over here. You have a half bath for your guest, also on the first floor, right over here. Nice sized closet underneath the staircase. Another view of the main living space. And of course, here's the kitchen once more. Going upstairs. So now we're walking upstairs. All your guest bedrooms will be on the second floor. Walking upstairs. This will be the owner bedroom on the second floor. Again, definitely nice size. King size bed for size reference. And let's walk into your owner bath. Owner bath has double vanities. And then turning around, a nice walk-in tiled shower. And then here's your walk-in closet. Turn it back around. Let's find some more guest bedrooms. Here's a full guest bath right over here. We do have a nice shower tub combo. And then turning back around, here's our first guest bedroom on the second floor. Here's your closet space right over here. And this will be the last guest bedroom on the second floor. Turn it back around. Okay, guys, give me a call if you need any more details. 941-303-9575.